How to turn on or turn off customize one UI home app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. From the Settings page, we now scroll down, and from here, tap on Advanced Features. Then in Advanced Features, we tap on Bixby. Then scroll down, and in here, tap on Customization Service. After that, scroll down, and then tap on One UI Home. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on One UI Home Customization Service. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.